This is baby. Say hi. Say hi. You guys, I love my backyard so much. It's like dirty right now. The kids are trying to clean up and don't. But I really love my backyard. See all this green? And I live in Vegas, so you don't really see a lot of green. That should be in the house. Keeps getting brought outside. But yeah. Anyways, that's it for the workout. Cause I'm dripping sweat, and this guy's up and he's ready. I need to feed him and hop in the shower. So I'll be back. Hello, everyone. It's been so long. I'm actually sitting where our dining table once was because we've been procrastinating on finding a new one, and I wanted to kind of motivate us to get active, and all of a sudden we found the one we like. So, ouch, he pulled my hair. Yeah. Please let go. Please let go. Ouch. Oh, God. This baby got a really strong grip. But yeah, so now we finally found the table that we like. Full of smiles and very happy. At the moment, I can't even control myself. Can you? Can you control yourself, darling? Anyways, I'm gonna cook and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna try and make some stuffed chicken. I've never made that before. So what is it, man? What's wrong? So, anyways, so I'm gonna try to make that. We'll see how it goes because I'm not a cook. Yeah. All right, so now I'm in the kitchen. I am about to start prepping for this food. Okay, what really sucks is I cannot find the remote to the box. So I'm like to do, and I don't want to just mute it. I want to be able to pause it because I do want to watch it. I'm gonna just go out of this and go on to something else. And I think the remote might be under my baby. And he just went to sleep. And the only way I'm gonna be able to try to get this dinner done is if I let him sleep. So wherever the remote is, I'll get to it. I can always rewind this. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys. So I'm going to chop up some spinach. I'm gonna use the cream cheese, chicken breast, triple cheddar, Johnny's, fresh cracked black pepper, Slap Your Mama's seasoning, salt-free seasoning, and paprika, garlic. Mix all this up, and then I'm going to stuff it in the chicken. My camera died, but now I'm just gonna add in the add the stuffed chicken into my pan. So let me get some. All right, and I already preheated the oven, so let me show you guys that formation. Oh, wow, I need it. Okay. Can you guys even say you can't even see what I'm doing? Okay, so I'm just drying this out. Okay, and I'm just gonna add the olive oil. Just gonna add enough to just move it around. Use this like she did. This one. Yeah. So I'm gonna let it cook out because I kind of want a saucy kind of finish. I'm hoping that I seasoned it enough and not too much. So yes, I'm gonna put this in here. And I don't really know how long, so I'm just gonna find a recipe. I'm putting it in, it's 5:39. So I'm gonna find a recipe that tells you how long it has to be in there. Right now, I'm just gonna clean up and put the rest of the stuff away. And then I will come back and show you guys what it looks like when it's done. Okay, so I'm actually really late, you guys, I'm sorry. But I completely forgot to show you guys the finished product. That's his little Bumby seat. But this is my son's plate. Everyone else has already ate. He's finishing his. And this is what it ended up looking like. I made the stuffed chicken with rice and broccoli. I didn't stuff it with rice and broccoli, but those were the sides. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Alrighty. Hi guys. Say hi. So it's the next day. As you can see, there's this huge open space right here, and we actually got rid of our dining table, so we could kind of like push ourselves to go and get a new one because we needed a new one. The one we had was probably like, I don't know, it's just old. So we
Yeah, it was the first time that sports was being sold in a cultural way. You were selling Americana.
ridiculous.
Me and my dad, we share that.
Incredibly handsome, successful player.
Wow. Okay, so we found a table on livingspaces.com. It's called like the Pavilion Round Table. I don't know, it's really nice. So we're gonna go look at it in person first before we purchase, because you know, you see things online, they may look completely different by the time they arrive at your door. So we are going to go take a look at that. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like online, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like in the store. All right, so I'll see you guys in a minute. I'll see you in a minute. This is my little man right here. He likes to wear blazers and suits. He does not have the Rona. He just has a cold. Yeah. So anyways, I'll be back in just a minute. like it. I don't like it. This is the table, guys. And I'm not in love. Yeah, I don't like it. I probably would like it more if it was all this color. You know? Yeah. They're probably inexpensive, the chairs. Yeah, I wouldn't spend much for these kind of chairs. What is the, where are the details? Huh? You think I have more than you? It does look like I have more than you, babe.
It always looks like you. That's because you do.
I don't think so.